Looking for trusted health services at your fingertips? Welcome to the service list from Aster Health Info Search, your all-in-one guide to better health and well-being. From general checkups to specialized treatments, Aster makes it simple to find exactly what you need when you need it. Our comprehensive service list includes doctors, clinics, wellness centers, labs, pharmacies, therapists, and more, all verified and easy to access. Need a dermatologist near you? Looking for mental health support or lab testing? Just search, compare, and connect in seconds. We provide up-to-date details on services offered, locations, operating hours, insurance coverage, and even patient feedback. No stress, no confusion. Just real, reliable healthcare services curated for you. And if you're a healthcare provider, Aster Health Info Search helps you reach more people who are actively searching for what you offer. Empowering patients, supporting providers. That's the Aster promise. Take control of your health journey today. Explore the service list from Aster Health Info Search, because finding the right care should always be this easy.